Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden from HHWCUSTOMS.com, and today we're going to talk about the CarTuned Influencer package that I just received. I got this maybe about 4 days ago. I did a video on Instagram, but I'm going to do a YouTube video now on it. This is just showing some of the new stuff that's coming out and just some cool stuff that they added on as well. So first up, we have this box. This is like a briefcase style box. You see we have the latches there, and we even have the rear hinges there, which is pretty nice to see. And of course we have very nice flames right here in the front, as well as a nice handle. CarTuned is there, and of course all the little stickers that they use in their product line are here as well, like stuff you would see on the card art of different things. So let's go ahead and open it up. So right here, right in front, it says CarTuned, fresh rides, fresh air, full speed ahead. The season is shifting into high gear, so it's time to give your CarTuned collection a little spring tune-up. We've sent over some fresh new models to keep the fun rolling all year long. Show us how you're revving up your spring with CarTuned. Whether you're tearing up the track or showing off your display, tag us at official CarTuned in your post and let's make some noise. And they have hashtag CarTuned, hashtag roll with us. That's the two hashtags that they're trying to like popularize. So if you guys post their stuff, use that hashtag. Moving on, this is just some cool stuff. Right here we have a nice beanie, white beanie. Has an old, has like a retro kind of a cartoon logo to it. Pretty cool. And this is embroidered, which is really nice. You can see it's like a whole stitching thing, which is very nice quality. And the other items are this CarTuned microfiber here. You can see it's this nice blue with, again, an embroidered cartoon logo, which is really nice. And really cool, this is a sneak peek, is a CarTuned Phillips. This was actually on display at the Diecast Supercon convention. If you guys were be able to look at the custom shop diorama thing they had going on, I'll post a picture of it right here so you can see it. But there's a little screwdriver in there, CarTuned. So it's nice to actually have one. Pretty cool. So moving on to the actual models here, this is a Series 4 Bel Air. This is the visorless one, and it's in this nice teal turquoise kind of color, and it has this nice, very sleek silver trim going off the side, just like all the Bel Airs do. So it's a very nice one. I do like this, also because it doesn't have the visor. I like both versions, but without the visor, it's definitely a little cleaner in my opinion. And right here on the back, you can see Series 4, and they're all different cars that are going to be coming out in there. I'm pretty sure there's already a picture out, a line of what these are, and some people probably already have these, but still cool to see. So this here is the CarTuned Series 3 double pack. This is the CarTuned Speed Shop. You have a nice 57 panel and 53 pickup, which I think looks very nice in these color combos here. Moving on, we have my second 3-pack actually. I bought one year at the convention, and it's my second one, so that's really cool to have. This is a CarTuned Series 2 triple pack. So this has the C10, the Bel Air, and the Blazer, which are really cool. These colors are all very nice, and both the Blazer and the C10 have the very deep wheels, the Dayton wheels that I like. Those are great for customs, and overall just look really nice in these cars. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys are interested in getting one of these yourself, they're actually giving one away. If you go to their Instagram at official CarTuned, you can enter. There are directions on how to enter in their caption, and go ahead and do all that, and you could get a chance to win. So thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you guys go check out CarTuned and all the new product lines. Coming out with some really cool stuff, and I'll see you guys on Friday with another video.